Destroy them all. Anguish comes. Eternal is my wrath. Punish the meek. Show them no mercy. Yeah! I'm not ready yet. My sisters. A devious plan. Good call. As you desire. I agree. As swiftly as I can. No more mana. I hear your call, mortal. Soon, more of my kin will join. Then, this world will come to an end. I was the first to become a shield maiden. A dissident mind often sees a truth that others are blind to. I only hearken to the commands of the Hellborn. Every so often I use my invisibility power to go into the men's locker room. I am only one wing away from becoming a victim of terrible fan fiction. Wait, if I have wings, why don't I just fly far away from a sword's reach and throw my spear from the air? Whoever decided that armor for girls should be restricted to bikinis should seriously try fighting in one. Once I threw my spear, randomly, into the forest. I don't know why I do that sometimes. It's like I cannot control my own actions, like I'm a puppet or something being controlled by a mere mortal to do inane actions, sedating its bottomless mirth. Or am I just being paranoid? Do you fear death, mortal?